Hello friends, welcome to my channel Rex Rahul. So today we will learn how we can save the run configurations configured in Eclipse to a file and share it within the team. So I have created a run configuration here. Let's say you have a project, say Eclipse tips. This is the project I have created for the demonstration. So just go to the run configuration. Here you can see we have run configuration here, tips 1, and we have provided argument 1, argument 2 here, and we can also provide environment here. Okay, so this is just for demo. So let's run this application from the run configuration. So what it is doing, it's just printing this all the arguments 1 or argument 2, and after this line completed. So what we will do, suppose in our team, let's say in our team one of the team member asks for the program arguments and this run configuration. So how we will provide him that program arguments and all of the configurations. So what we will do is we will save the file, means we will save this whole configuration in a file. So just go to the common tab here. So instead of this local file, you will have to select share file and just apply. So you can see here Eclipse has created a tips1.launch file here. So this is the file which will contain all the run configurations required for this application to run. You can share this file with others and they can use this file to run the application directly without manually configuring any run configuration. So you can also do just right click here and run as. You can run from here this file also, and after that, so this is about run configuration sharing, and after that another thing I want to tell you, if you want user to prompt user to enter, if you want user to enter some value for the program arguments here while we are running this run configuration, so we can do this via the variables here. So I'm talking about these variables. So you will have to click on these variables and you will have to use this string prompt. Just click OK. So what it will do, let me show you by running. When you click run, so it will ask us to enter a value. Please input a value, the message, and you can pass any of the value here. So we have passed Rex Rahul, or you can change any of the message, any message. So this will go to the program argument. Okay, so any message is passed to this application class and it is printing it. So let's run it again. Any message 2. So this is the advantage of this is just a feature of Eclipse you can use. And also if you want to let's say, because while running it is only saying the message is displayed is please input a value, so we don't know what it is asking for. So what we will do, let's say we these are the names or messages. So what we will do here, change the message, just delete it because this will be overwritten by this configuration itself. So find string prompt here and name the argument, say messages. So just click OK. So you can see this is string prompt colon message. So this is the value, this is the message itself. So when we run the application, what it is asking for, please input a value for messages. So you can provide message, all the message, let's say message 3 also, so it will give us. So okay, thanks everybody for watching my video. So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel Rex Rahul.